Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by preparing the image and permissions so Windows won't block the change. Place a correctly sized image in C/users/public/pictures so system account can read it. Once done, right-click the file and verify property security lets your user read it. Make sure you have local administrator rights to modify registry keys and schedule tasks. Now open Settings Personalization to the background pane to confirm the current wallpaper so you know what will change. Don't attempt activation or Microsoft account sign-in yet. You will change the registry and optionally set a reapply task so the wallpaper persists without activation. First back up the registry, then open Regedit and go to HKey current user /control panel /desktop. Set wallpaper to the full path, wallpaper style to 10 for fill or 2 for stretch, and tile wallpaper to 0. Once done, run rundlul32. exe user 32. DLL. Update per user system parameters to force a refresh. If Windows resets after updates, create a task scheduler task that runs the same command at logon to reapply automatically. You finish by confirming the change and preparing a fallback. After running the update command, sign out and sign in to verify the new wallpaper appears. Make sure theme sync is off to avoid cloud overrides. If it reverts, check group policy or active desktop settings and ensure no management profile blocks custom backgrounds. Run gpedit. MSC and inspect user configuration, administrative templates desktop wallpaper. Make sure you keep a small BAT or PowerShell script and the registry export so you can quickly reapply if Windows resets it.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.